Welcome to the LRF Reunion of Interns 2012-13, now transitioning into LRF Fellows 2025. This special program, initiated and hosted by CEO Malik Muhammad Tahir Iqbal, celebrates the incredible journey of our esteemed interns from the 2012-13 batch as they step into their prestigious roles as LRF Fellows. It is a moment to honor the dedication, growth, and remarkable accomplishments of these individuals, who have embodied the values and vision of the Legal Rights Forum over the years. This reunion is more than a celebration, it is an opportunity to rekindle connections, share experiences, and strengthen the collaborative spirit that defines our community. Under the leadership of CEO Malik Muhammad Tahir Iqbal, this gathering reflects our commitment to fostering excellence and empowering our community for years to come. We look forward to making this event a cherished memory for everyone involved.